Welcome to this video where I will reveal what the gurus don't want you to know about dropshipping. We're going to review some of the most interesting claims made by gurus and uncover the truth because let's face it, not everything they say is accurate. So without further ado, let's dive into the first myth. You can start a dropshipping business with $0. I've heard many gurus claim it's possible to start a dropshipping business with no upfront investment. Unfortunately, this is far from the truth. Like any business, initial investments are necessary. Even though dropshipping is one of the cheapest models out there, the beauty of dropshipping is that you don't need to buy inventory upfront. Instead, you purchase products only after receiving orders, and the supplier ships them directly to your customer. That said, there are still mandatory expenses when starting. Platform subscription fees, for example. Shopify charges a small monthly fee to create a professional, user-friendly online store. Order the products for creative and testing. If you want to ensure the quality of the product you found from the supplier, it's recommended to order and pay for the product, then have it shipped to you for testing. If the product meets your quality standards, you can use it to create content such as videos and images. Paid ads. If you want to drive targeted traffic quickly, investing in paid ads is highly recommended. Product research tools. Tools like Zeek Analytics are worth the investment because they help you choose products based on data rather than guesswork, increasing your chances of success. You may need to pay for a professional domain. So to increase the credibility and reliability of your store, it's highly recommended to invest in a professional domain name. What is a professional domain? Simply look at the URL of YouTube. It ends with .com. A professional domain helps you make your store look more trustworthy and appealing to customers. Depending on the domain you choose, most standard domains will cost around $10 to $18 per year. You can purchase a domain from providers like GoDaddy or even directly from Shopify. If you buy through Shopify, it will automatically link the domain to your store, making the setup process seamless and hassle-free. So while dropshipping is an affordable way to start a business, starting with $0 is not realistic. However, now that we understand this, let's focus on how to start your dropshipping business more smartly by investing in necessary tools and saving cost where possible. Here are some tips to save money and increase your chances of success. Take advantage of Shopify's new trial offer. Shopify recently updated its trial period, and it's a great way to save money. Before October 1st, Shopify offered only 3 days for free, followed by $1 for the first month, and then $29 per month for the basic plan. But now it offers 3 days free, followed by 3 months for just $1 a month instead of jumping to the full $29. This means you save $58 upfront and you can invest in other areas of your store while using those extra months to generate enough sales to cover your subscription. And if you want to get this offer, you can check the link below. Another thing is to find winning products based on data, not guesswork. After setting up your Shopify store with this limited time, cost-effective trial, the next step is to find the right products. Avoid relying on guesswork when selecting products for your store. Many beginners think they've found the $1 million product, but most of the time, this assumption is based on guesses rather than actual data. So investing in a product research tool like Zeek Analytics can save you a lot of time and money. After all, time is money. Tools like Zeek allow you to analyze product competition, sourcing options, and success rates from other stores. This ensures you're moving forward with products that have real market demand. It can also help you avoid wasting time on products that might not sell. And the best part, you can try Zeek Analytics for just $1 for the first week. When it comes to generating traffic for your store, paid ads can be a key investment to consider, especially when you're just starting out. Paid ads help you understand which target audience engages best with your store while driving in high volume of targeted traffic. This is particularly important for new stores that lack an established digital footprint or a strong social media community. It's crucial to note that investing in paid ads works best with products that have a high profit margin, at least 70%. This means you're able to sell the product for at least 3 times its sourcing price, allowing you to maintain a solid profit even after accounting for ad expenses. High profit margins are ideal for scaling your store through paid campaigns while staying profitable. However, there are also effective free traffic sources that you can use to drive targeted visitors to your store. Platforms like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest allow you to reach your audience organically by posting engaging videos of your products. The choice of platform should depend on your product's target audience. For example, Pinterest is perfect for home decor or aesthetically appealing products. TikTok works wonders for unique, eye-catching items with a wow factor that can be showcased in short, captivating videos. If one of your posts goes viral, you'll enjoy a surge of traffic for a long time without spending a dime. You can take a step further by leveraging the success of a viral post for paid ads. Simply repurpose the same viral content and use it in your ad campaigns to amplify its reach. This approach works because the content has already proven its effectiveness in engaging your audience. By boosting it with paid ads, you can reach an even larger audience and drive more traffic and conversion to your store. It's a cost-effective way to capitalize on what's already working and scale your results. But like any other strategy, this requires consistency and dedication. But do experiment with different content styles. Learn from what works and refine your approach. Combining paid ads with organic efforts will help you create a sustainable flow of traffic to your dropshipping store. Lastly, another excellent way to generate free traffic is by leveraging micro-influencers to advertise your product. Micro-influencers typically have highly engaged followers within specific niches, making them a great fit for your targeted marketing. You can even negotiate a deal where you pay them a percentage of the sales they generate, creating a win-win partnership. The process is simple. Identify influencers whose audience aligns with the users of your product. Reach out to them via social media or email with a proposal for collaboration. By working with these micro-influencers, you can tap into a loyal audience, build brand trust, and drive traffic to your store, all without needing a big advertising budget. This strategy is especially effective for niche products and can help you create a steady flow of sales while keeping costs low. So this is the first myth we've uncovered the truth about. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to share them in the comments below. If you're enjoying this video so far, I'd really appreciate it if you could like the video and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you have any myths or claims from gurus you'd like us to reveal the truth about, let us know in the comments and we'll make sure to uncover the truth for you. The second misconception I've seen from gurus lately is that AliExpress is a dead supplier. Let me set the record straight. AliExpress remains one of the most dropshipping friendly suppliers out there, especially for beginners. With an almost unlimited product selection that expands daily, multiple payment options, worldwide shipping often free or very affordable, and a generous return policy that allows no questions asked returns within 15 days of product arrival, AliExpress is an exceptional platform for dropshipping. While it's true that a few years ago, AliExpress shipments could take 1 to 2 months, and product quality was inconsistent, the platform has significantly improved in the last 3 years. These changes include faster shipping times. Many orders now arrive in 1 to 2 weeks, a vast improvement from the previous 30 to 60 days. AliExpress Choice Program. This program highlights high-quality, curated products with faster shipping and affordable rates. Ideal for dropshippers. Improved product standards. Sellers with poor quality products and negative reviews are removed from the platform, ensuring better quality and customer satisfaction. For dropshippers, AliExpress is not only a great supplier, but also a reliable option to test products before investing heavily in paid or organic ads. It's always recommended to order products to test their quality and create unique content for social media and your store. Delivering high quality products builds trust and long-term success in your dropshipping business. When a product proves successful through AliExpress dropshipping, you can scale further by sourcing directly from Chinese agents. This step allows you to buy products in bulk at a better price, customize and brand them for your store, and achieve greater scalability, all while maintaining the product's quality and increasing profitability. So no, AliExpress is far from dead. It's an excellent supplier that adapts to needs of modern dropshipping. The last myth I'll debunk in this video is one you've probably heard from gurus. Facebook ads are dead. Here's the truth. The cost of paid advertising on platforms like Facebook, TikTok, and Google has risen in recent years. And here's a secret. Those prices are only going to keep climbing. But here's the bigger picture. Most successful dropshipping stores, especially those selling high profit margin products, still rely heavily on Facebook paid ads as a cornerstone of their business strategy. In fact, some of the most successful stores I've come across rely solely on Facebook ads to drive traffic. Now, let's get technical. Facebook ads, or more accurately, Meta paid ads, don't just stop at Facebook. They also allow you to advertise across Instagram and Messenger, offering versatility in reaching your audience. While advertising costs may rise, the ability to target a high volume, willing to pay audience makes Facebook ads an excellent tool, especially when sourcing affordable products from platforms like AliExpress. Take this dropshipping store, for example. They're selling this smart ring for $98. And here is the same product from AliExpress, and it only costs $20.33. Now, this is a massive profit margin. With such a margin, even after factoring paid ads, the store remains highly profitable. And the results? This is the analysis of this store using the Zeek Store Sales Tracker. As you can see,
over 1,900 sales
and over $200,000 in sales revenue from the past 30 days. So no, Facebook ads aren't dead. As long as you're selling products with strong profit margins, using Facebook ads is a fantastic way to scale your business. Many dropshipping stores continue to thrive and grow by relying on Meta ads to drive targeted traffic. All right, that wraps up this video. As I've shown you, gurus can have all kinds of opinions about e-commerce, but it's also better, and I would say even mandatory, to verify their claims and base your knowledge on multiple sources. If there are more statements or myths you'd like us to review in another video like this one, let us know in the comments below. Share the guru myth or statement you want us to uncover the truth about, and we might feature it in our next video. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more quality content like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.